I am originally my subject of my interest was the fiqh. And that is because I felt that fiqh is the cream of the Holy Quran and Sunnah of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Therefore, fiqh was my basic, the subject of my basic interest. But I always found that our basic book revealed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala should be the most valuable thing, and the should be basic objective of our attention. Alhamdulillah, I translated the Holy Quran firstly in English and then in Urdu. But I found that I have not yet reached the very spirit or essence of the meanings of the Quran. And I found that we need a tafsir for the common people that may convey the message, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's kalam is such that no one can even translate it in a true sense, and it has guidance in each and every expression he has used in the Holy Quran. So I was thinking that I am not able to approach the basic concepts of the Holy Quran unless I study it.